Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, January the 27th. I'm Bob. I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I'm going to give you some updates regarding the coronavirus in Thailand and what's being done about it in Asia in general. Here we go. Okay, let's jump right into this. The Bangkok Post today, that's Sunday, says that the virus scanning at the airports is only going on at one Bangkok airport, although there's 6 or 8 other international airports, including Krabi, Chiang Rai, Chiang Mai, Udon Thani, and several more. So I'm not sure why this is so restricted. The paper says airport authorities are waiting on advice from China on whether to screen all arrivals, as Beijing has already banned all of the tour groups coming to Thailand en masse. Since this is around the Chinese New Year period, that's a big step, because how 15 or 20% of Thais have Chinese family, and Chinese New Year is a big event tourist-wise and family reunions and such. It's very big for that. By the way, I'm saying Sunday, January 20th, the 25th. Officials at the airport, as I mentioned, are awaiting whether to expand screening of passengers from China to try to detect the new coronavirus that is causing worldwide concern. They still don't know. They still don't seem to know a whole lot about the virus, and China is obviously taking the lead as far as investigating it. Although pharmaceutical companies are also wildly trying to get the first antidote on the market. I'm sure that'll be quite profitable for them. China has also mentioned that the Walt Disney World in Shanghai has been shut down, and Shanghai is actually running out of face masks, so there's a bit of a rush for those. Now, Chinese President Xi Jinping warned that the country was facing a grave situation given the accelerating spread of the virus. I was in China in 2004 when one of the bird flu epidemics occurred, and I can assure you they are taking temperatures of people with their sensors, getting on trains, buses, airplanes, and everything. China is very aggressive about health concerns of this nature. Thailand has confirmed 7 cases, and most people think that the outbreak started in the Chinese city of Wuhan, and 41 people have died in China, and over 1,300 people have been infected globally. The people at the airport in Bangkok are putting temperature scans on passengers arriving from Guangzhou, which most Americans think of as Canton, and Wuhan, but not on all Chinese cities. Flights from Wuhan have been canceled because it's under quarantine. And Thailand is going to go along with whatever China suggests. And if they want to widen the people they're checking, they're having a meeting today with a number of the ministers from health and transportation and tourism departments. Surprises me that they're working on Sunday, but this is serious. And of course, as you probably know, China is Thailand's biggest source of tourists. So on social media recently, the Thai government has been accused of being incompetent or ineffective on a lot of matters, including drought control, flood control. They failed when there was a bad air period earlier this month. They failed to do anything effective about it, and a lot of social media has been saying that the government's not competent to protect the country. On the other hand, many New Year celebrations have been canceled, and other public gatherings are also being discouraged or banned. Hong Kong declared an emergency, its highest public warning level, and canceled official New Year celebrations. Shanghai has actually closed its cinemas and the Starbucks coffee chain all the way across the Hebei province. In Beijing, authorities say they would stop all interprovincial shuttle buses from Sunday in order to curb the spread of the virus. The bus service did not know when the services will be resumed. Now, Thailand has officially said, the health minister, Antoine Chanvirakul, told the public that our country, meaning Thailand, can control the situation well. We've had patients who are being treated and are improving. Many have also gone home. I don't know how reassuring that actually is. I'm in Chiang Mai, and they're not even screening Chinese people or people coming in from Wuhan or Guangzhou. And since coming in further west in China is also a big connecting point to flying into Thailand, they're not checking on either end there. So it remains to be seen what the ministers will decide at their meeting today. But after none of the recent dilemmas in Thailand have been solved, the confidence, I have to say, is running low. A lot of the people that I know are restricting their activity currently in light of the fact that not a heck of a lot of information has come down from the government. I don't even know how they're going to deal with the more remote areas like the hill tribes that don't speak Thai, and that would certainly present a problem. And it's just hard to say how much energy is going to be expended on this unless it gets real scary. Thanks for watching. I'll probably do an update on this later in the week as things develop. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.